January 13, 2025 mga idol. New York Knicks panalo versus Milwaukee Bucks 140-106. Best player si Jalen Brunson ang score ng 40 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists. Anthony Towns ay dumagdag ng 30 points, 18 rebounds. Denver Nuggets pinalakol ang Mavericks 112-111. Jokic almost triple-double, merong 19 points, 18 rebounds, 9 assists. Sacramento Kings sinuwag ang Bulls 124-119. Si Aaron Fox may 26 points, 9 rebounds, 3 assists. Indiana Pacers kinabatutan ang Cavaliers 108-93. Si Nimbard ang kumamada ng 19 points at 3 assists mga idol. Oklahoma City Thunders tinalo ang Wizard 136-95. Si Gilgeous Alexander ang tumiskor ng 27 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists. Orlando Magic ang 76ers 104-99. Si Cole Anthony ang top scorer na may 27 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists. Celtics nakalusot sa Pelicans 120-119. Jason Tatum ang umiscore ng 38 points, 11 rebounds. Utah Jazz nalusutan din ang Brooklyn Nets 112-111 sa overtime. Si Isaiah Collier ang umiscore ng 23 points, 7 rebounds, 7 assists. Phoenix Suns sinunog ang Hornets 120-113. Kevin Booker ang nag-top scorer ng 30 points, 5 rebounds, 8 assists mga idol.